Listen. Shalom, shalom, brethren, shalom, shalom. My family, my SM family, how you doing? Listen, today I was privileged and opportune to go to the Workforce Expo in Atlanta. I beg, make you stay in one place, Jari. I got something very important to do, not to cloth I come to do here, Jari. Anyway, uh-huh. So the Workforce Expo 2026 was held at the World Congress Center and yesterday and today. So I learned a couple of things. And one of the things I want to talk about is if you're born here, if you're born in America and you're complaining, there's something wrong with your when they say America is a lot of opportunities, I bet it is, and I'll share some stuff with you. It's a land of opportunities. And then, if you actually immigrated here, anywhere, anyhow, and you're legal, and you're complaining about this country, you got a problem too. I went to this workforce expo that was held yesterday and today. I was thinking the place would be jam packed with people. That's what I thought. Now, okay, people are complaining they don't have work, they don't have job, there's no. The place was full of companies that came out there to seek for employees. So I'm like, where are the people? I was even running late because I had to run so many errands. So I was like, actually wanted to go so I could get some stuff for the youth in the church, my young people, in church or anyway. My family, I think I'm posting some on social media too, just in case you were not able to make it. So the key thing that people were not there. And I was like, wow. And I think when I was doing my Facebook Live, I was saying, you cannot blame the government. You cannot blame the governor. You cannot blame the mayor. You cannot blame your father, your mother. So, let me talk to immigrant children here. Your parents came here and struggled. Maybe you don't know how they struggled. And some of you, they came with you here as babies. And some of you, they gave birth to you here. And they struggled. And they pressed and they did what they could do so that you will survive. I was talking to one of my young girls yesterday. I was like, your mom brought people here for education, remember? I said that education, we must get it. All these excuses you're having, come and do this, you're having an excuse, come and do that, you're having an excuse. I said the reason for which mom brought you here, to give you a better life. We must seek and pursue after it. So your parents came here and they pressed and they pushed. Some of them got into student loan like I did. And so maybe because all the things, now you have a life where you have where you to sleep and wake up, you have food to eat. You cannot appreciate what your parents did. You cannot appreciate the country that has given you opportunities. See, let me show you something here. This was really amazing to me. And whenever I go to all these places, I take papers a lot. And the interesting thing to me with all these people that I got, all of this, like all of this, there's what we call it. I think it used to be called WIA before. So now it's workforce, WOIA now, or whatever they call it, where the government will train you for free. For free. So it's amazing that you're not there. And they have a cutoff limit, 16 to 24 years old. And if you're 16 to 24 years old and you're having reason and excuses why you're not making it, why you're not pushing forward, why you want to stay on the phone, why you want to stay at the bottom, where you're just comfortable with $12, $15, $12, $13, $17 job, when the government has made so many opportunities available. Say here, learn a trade in 4 weeks. Our classes offer no tuition cost. No tuition. One of the ladies I was speaking to, she said, oh, once you qualify and is workforce eligible, you get a computer, you get all your supplies paid for. This one is ATG Learning, 100% funding, zero cost to candidate, in-person level, all supplies, books, hands-on labs, practice exams, 1 year free class retake, all required certification exams are paid for. I know how much I pay for my certification. Information technology training. I know how much people are spending to do information technology training. But here, if you qualify under the workforce, it's 100% free. And you are in Georgia. And you're in the US. And every state have their own. And shame to the rest of the world. My government in my country, where the young people, I was watching one guy went to, I think, you see Oshodi on the train. And then there were little children. And he was saying for himself, he left the house at 9 years old. And even here too, there are children on the streets, believe it or not. There are children who ran away from home, believe it or not. But all these things are made available. And I was saying on my live, I said, you cannot blame the government. Gone are the days where you blame Trump, where you blame Kemp. Kemp is the governor for Georgia. Where you blame the mayor of your county. Where you blame your parents. Children love to blame their parents. Oh, you brought me here. Oh, you do this. Well, they brought you here for this kind of opportunity. I'm going to say it right now. Your parents never got opportunity. Who go pay for your school? Hello? Pay you 100% funding, zero cost to candidate, all supplies and books, all required certification exam paid for. Your parents, when they came here, they fought their way through school, paid through nose, work in the night, work in mug, work cleaning poop, work orishirishi, night shift, sometimes they call some shift, graveyard shift. They worked it. Paid certification by themselves. This is free. There is this one. This one, thank God. Something I was saying that, but how about adults? So finally they gave me one. Say, okay, this is adult, 18 years plus, for a 5-week hands-on training, free. 5-week hands-on training in hospitality, in food safety, whatever. I know how much my friend paid for food safety in Canada to do the whatever. But here, free. You want to do security guard, free training. So I wonder where did the people go? You want to learn to culinary food. Or this one is actually food. You want to learn to bake. You want to do this. Listen. What's included? On-site commercial kitchen training, serve safe manager certification, paid internship eligibility, start your profession. Guess what? Tuition free. Tuition free. What is your complaint? I told you people, 2026 is not the year for you to complain. You see, me going there today, I wanted to get information. I wanted to be able to share this. Going there today is not for me, even if it's for me, sir, but it wasn't for me. But I went there, they're like, what you do? I said, I came here to gather stuff for my children. My children everywhere. 2026, my year of solution. Before you move away from 24 years old, this is for you. If you are especially between 16 and 24. I think they were telling me about one election. Election is when, but they are going to start knocking on doors in April. The guy said we're hiring now. We're hiring 16, 17, 18-year-old. How much? $18 to knock on the door. To knock on somebody's door and just say, oh, go out and vote. Basically, that's what they do. Now when they come knock on your door, they come out and knock on your door and say, oh, have you voted today? Please, can you go out and vote? And they just make sure that, they, whatever, $18 per hour, $20. She said between $18 to $20 per hour for you to go and knock on people's door to go and vote. Instead of you to stay on the couch, carry your phone and begin to play game. In the same phone that you're using, other people are using it and making money from it. You are just playing game with it. I don't tire. 6-week job training and skills development program. Free training for those who qualify. Free training. So this adults can do it, because men and women, high school diploma or GED flexibility, that's all you need. These things do not require too much, whatever. Pre-apprenticeship, free. You see, I am so vexed in my spirit. Americans thrive. Workforce preparation, free. I'm so vexed in my spirit right now because all this stuff I think I already did a reel. It should be there somewhere on my page. And I was telling them also, they're like, oh, there was some that was like, oh, you have to be Atlanta resident. I said, what if I'm not in the city of Atlanta? Oh, well, I have to go. I'm going to go and do a research about my county, my city, and see what is my city doing. Because most of this stuff, oh, you have to show ID, you're a resident of city of Atlanta, you have to show whatever proof of residence that you're a resident of city of Atlanta. So city Atlanta mayor, well done for your citizens. You see, they collect all this funding, but they don't use it for their citizens. But some mayor decide to use for their citizens. Some countries, I was telling them, I said, oh, I'm paying taxes. So, boy, go use the taxes. It's a taxpayer's money. Now you want to tax people. What are you going to do with the tax that you're taxing people? I'm talking to some people from over the ocean, Okay, this is another one. I think my daughter attended one summer youth program like that was paid for, and she was collecting money to just to go in the morning. I help them serve people food. Yeah, help them serve people food. That was what that one was about. See all this? You all see all this? You cannot complain. 2026. 2026 is a year of solution. What is your solution? How are you going to get out of the situation where you're in? I think I picked up a book that said, okay, you got fired. Okay, you got laid off. Okay, is that the end of your world? That cannot be the end of your world. So you got to think now, okay, how do I get out of this unemployment state? It's a state. And I love Nigeria because there's a song that say, no condition is permanent in this life. No condition is permanent in this life. Uh, no condition is permanent in this life. No condition is permanent in this life. Don't make your condition a permanent condition because you have refused to look for solution to it. So, please, the bell is ringing. If you're between 16 and 24, 18 and 24, please, there's so much opportunities for you. You better hurry up before it is too late. Then you are going to blame the government. You're going to blame your parents. You're going to blame your friends, your neighbor. You're going to blame everybody, but yourself for not looking when you see stuff, for not looking, for not seeing, for not moving. Right? So just in case you did not know about this, now I'm showing you. So please go ahead, get all the information you can. I'm going to put this on my page. So if you have opportunities, you can also share it with us because we got to make sure that everybody's financially empowered, financially independent, and all your views countries that are not doing anything for your young people. We say that the young people are the future of tomorrow. You cannot be securing only your child. Your child is not the only citizen in that country. That's my problem. You cannot make sure that your own child is secure. When your child is not the only citizen in the country, listen, secure your child alone. What's going to happen, You will not be able to live in peace because other children, when crime rate will increase, and then your child will be building a burglary proof to reach the sky. That is part of what we're going to have to deal with. Now is the time for you to equip the young. We say the young shall grow. To equip the young generation because they are the future of tomorrow. Anyway, I don't finish my talk. The Lord bless you. That's what I learned today at the Georgia Workforce Expo 2026. Intrigued, interesting, very informational, very informative, very educative, very gbogbo, So please, let's help our young people get financially empowered and independent. The Lord bless you. Love somebody, share this with somebody. Go to my page, you will see the reel of all these papers, and then you can just, clip and get information that you need to get that will work for you or work for somebody else. It doesn't have to be for you. Like I said, it wasn't for me, but I went there because I needed information for the rest of my people over here. Shalom.